The world of technology is constantly evolving. Artificial intelligence in particular is advancing at an unprecedented pace. One such groundbreaking development is GPT-4o, the latest iteration in the generative pre-trained transformer series. This revolutionary AI model is poised to redefine the way we interact with technology. GPT-4o is not just an upgrade, it's a paradigm shift. It transcends the limitations of its predecessors, offering a level of sophistication and versatility never seen before. This advancement represents a fundamental leap forward in AI capabilities. GPT-4o is a comprehensive AI solution designed to revolutionize the way we communicate, create, and interact with the digital world. The evolution of AI has been marked by significant milestones. GPT-4o stands as a testament to this incredible journey, embodying the culmination of years of research and development. It's a beacon of progress, illuminating the path toward a future where AI becomes an indispensable part of our lives. The future is here, and it's powered by AI. Previous language models often struggled with the nuances of different languages. GPT-4o shatters these limitations, boasting an unprecedented ability to understand and generate text in multiple languages. This multilingual proficiency is a game changer, opening up a world of possibilities for global communication and collaboration. The secret to GPT-4o's linguistic prowess lies in its advanced neural network architecture. Trained on a massive dataset of text and code in numerous languages, GPT-4o has developed an intricate understanding of grammatical structures, semantic relationships, and cultural contexts. It can seamlessly switch between languages, accurately translating text, and even adapting its writing style to suit different cultural norms. GPT-4o's capabilities extend far beyond simple translation. It can generate creative content, write different kinds of text formats, and answer your questions in an informative way. This level of linguistic flexibility and adaptability is unprecedented in the field of AI. GPT-4o represents a significant leap forward in AI, moving beyond the limitations of text-based models. It heralds the era of multimodality, seamlessly integrating text, audio, image, and video processing into a single, unified model. This groundbreaking capability allows GPT-4o to interact with the world in a more human-like way. Imagine describing an image to GPT-4o and having it generate a detailed caption, or playing a piece of music and having it identify the instruments, genre, and even the emotions it evokes. It can analyze and understand information from different sources, combining them to provide richer, more comprehensive insights. This multimodal approach also enhances GPT-4o's ability to understand and respond to complex queries. This opens up a world of possibilities for more natural and engaging human-computer interactions. One of the most remarkable aspects of GPT-4o is its accessibility. Unlike its predecessors, which often required significant computational power and technical expertise to operate, GPT-4o is designed with user-friendliness in mind. Its intuitive interface and streamlined design make it accessible to a wider audience, regardless of their technical background. GPT-4o can be accessed through a variety of platforms, from web browsers to mobile devices, making it readily available to anyone with an internet connection. This user-centric design ensures that even those with minimal technical experience can leverage the power of GPT-4o. Furthermore, GPT-4o is designed to be highly efficient, delivering fast response times and seamless performance. Imagine having a conversation with a virtual assistant that responds to your queries instantly. The combination of accessibility and efficiency makes GPT-4o a game changer in the world of AI. GPT-4o is not just an AI model, it's a gateway to a future where AI empowers everyone. The development and deployment of sophisticated AI models have traditionally been associated with significant costs. GPT-4o disrupts this paradigm by offering a more cost-effective solution without compromising on performance. This affordability is a key factor in democratizing access to AI. The cost-effectiveness of GPT-4o stems from its efficient design and optimized architecture. By leveraging advancements in hardware and software, GPT-4o can deliver exceptional performance while consuming less computational power and resources. This translates into lower operating costs, making it a viable option for organizations with limited budgets. GPT-4o's versatile API and comprehensive documentation make it easier for developers to integrate the model into their projects. This streamlined development process allows developers to focus on building innovative applications. GPT-4o is not just an AI model, it's a catalyst for change, making AI more accessible, affordable, and impactful than ever before. GPT-4o's multimodal capabilities extend beyond text and audio, encompassing the ability to understand and interpret images and videos. This remarkable feat is achieved through advanced computer vision algorithms. It can identify objects, recognize faces, understand scenes, and even interpret emotions conveyed through facial expressions and body language. Imagine showing GPT-4o a picture of a crowded street scene. It could instantly identify the various elements within the image and provide a detailed description of what's happening. This ability to see and interpret images allows GPT-4o to interact with the world in a more human-like way. The implications of this visual understanding are far-reaching. In healthcare, GPT-4o could assist doctors in diagnosing diseases by analyzing medical images. In manufacturing, it could be used for quality control, identifying defects in products. GPT-4o's ability to understand images and videos represents a significant step towards artificial general intelligence. As with any transformative technology, the development and deployment of GPT-4o come with inherent responsibilities. To mitigate risks, robust ethical guidelines and safety measures have been integrated into GPT-4o's core functionality. These safeguards are designed to prevent the model from being used for malicious purposes. One of the key safety features of GPT-4o is its ability to detect and flag inappropriate or harmful content. If GPT-4o encounters a prompt or request that violates its ethical guidelines, it will refuse to comply. GPT-4o is designed with transparency in mind, ensuring users are aware of the source of the information they are consuming. The ethical considerations surrounding GPT-4o are an integral part of its design and development process. By prioritizing safety and responsibility, the creators of GPT-4o aim to ensure that this powerful technology is used for good. GPT-4o stands as a testament to the exponential progress being made in the field of artificial intelligence. It offers a glimpse into a future where AI is not just a tool, but a collaborator and a partner in creativity. Its ability to understand and generate human-like text, interpret and respond to images and videos, and seamlessly switch between languages opens up a world of possibilities. Imagine a future where GPT-4o powers personalized learning experiences, assists in diagnosing diseases, and breaks down language barriers. As the technology continues to evolve, its potential applications will only continue to expand. The key lies in harnessing this power responsibly, ensuring that AI is developed and deployed ethically. The future of AI is bright, and GPT-4o is leading the charge. Let us strive to use it wisely, responsibly, and for the betterment of all. The development of GPT-4o is an ongoing journey, a continuous process of refinement and improvement. Your feedback plays a crucial role in shaping the future of GPT-4o. Your insights, suggestions, and observations are invaluable in guiding its evolution. By actively participating in this feedback loop, you become an integral part of the GPT-4o development process. Your voice matters. By working together, we can shape the future of AI, guiding its development in a direction that benefits all of humanity. The arrival of GPT-4o marks a pivotal moment in the evolution of artificial intelligence. It signifies a paradigm shift, ushering in an era of unprecedented AI capabilities. GPT-4o is not just a technological marvel, it is a testament to human ingenuity. It is a tool with the potential to revolutionize countless aspects of our lives. As we embrace the transformative potential of GPT-4o, we must do so ethically and responsibly. The future of AI is bright, and GPT-4o is leading the charge. The dawn of a new era is upon us, and GPT-4o stands at the forefront, ready to shape the future of AI and its impact on the world.